In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in a Buick Rendezvous key fob. This is a really easy process to do. You won't need anything special to get it done. You might be saying, hey, your key fob's missing a button. Some of these have a triangular button for the trunk right in the middle. Mine is just a 3-button version. It is the same device, just a kind of a different version. So just follow along with me here, and I promise we will get a new battery in your device in no time. You'll just need one of these CR2032 batteries and something like a coin or a flathead screwdriver to open it up. If you'd like to get one of these batteries online, I will leave a link in the description so you can get one on Amazon. The exact battery that you need for this device over there on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. So go check that out, and then we can just get right into it. Right here down on the bottom where this key ring attaches, you'll see along the seam in the plastic, there is a little slot. We're going to use that to open up the device. So I think what works best is a coin. It's just a wider surface, and something like a flathead will work, but it will kind of ding this up. You can see there's a little bit of a damage on my area in there because I used a flathead screwdriver to open it up. This does take quite a bit of force. It's kind of just a bad design. You might end up, just a little warning, you might end up dinging up this little part here. Just give it a try. Take your time and see what happens for you. So we're just going to insert the coin and twist. As I said, it takes quite a bit of force to start to open this thing up. As soon as you feel it come apart a little bit, stop applying pressure in there and just go ahead and pull it apart with your fingers. And once you get it open, now we have access to the battery. You can just use anything you have laying around, pen, pencil, toothpick. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to get under the battery and kind of just come in this corner and pry the battery out. And then you can go ahead, dispose of your old battery, take a new CR2032 battery, and make sure that you are putting it in with this positive side facing down. So you're going to click that into place, positive side down, and now we can just click the two halves back together. Really squeeze it together until it is all nice and lined up, and we are done. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back to this channel where we have video tutorials for pretty much every device from every maker model you could think of. And we also have all that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.